Porter's Five Force framework is a method of analyzing the operating environment of a competition of a business. It draws from industrial organization economies to derive five forces that determine the competitive intensity and therefore the attractiveness of an industry in terms of its profitability. An unattractive industry is one in which the effect of these five forces reduces overall profitability. The most unattractive industry would be one approaching pure competition in which available profits for all firms are driven to normal profit levels. So I've chosen Walt Disney for the five forces analysis here. The Walt Disney Company uses its strong brand as an advantage to address competition and the related external factors specified in this five force analysis of the global business. Michael E. Porter's five force analysis model is a managerial tool for understanding the industry environment in terms of external factors that affect business performance. In this company analysis case of Disney, the external factors are in the mass media amusement parks and resorts and entertainment industries. These factors represent the industry environment where the conglomerate must address the effects of competition with large and aggressive firms. For example, the company competes against Sony, Viacom, Time Warner, CBS, and Comcast, owner of Universal Pictures. This Porter's Five Force analysis of Disney stresses the significance of the external environment in determining business success. The company must align its strategies with the intensities and characteristics of the competitive forces assessed in this external analysis. Competition, the bargaining power of customers, and the threat of substitution are the most significant external forces determined in the Porter's Five Force analysis of Disney. Nonetheless, the bargaining power of suppliers and the threat of new entry are tragic management issues in the global business environment. The external factors significant to Disney involve the activities of firms in the entertainment industry, the mass media industry, and the amusement parks and resorts industry. Given such scope of operations, various industry environments are considered in this external analysis. For example, the corresponding industry specific degrees of competition are accounted for in evaluating the overall competition facing Disney. The relevant external factors and intensities of the five forces are determined in this Porter's five force analysis of the Walt Disney Company as follows. Competitive rivalry or competition, which is strong force. Bargaining power of buyers and customers. Bargaining power of suppliers is considered to be as weak force. Threat of substitutes or substitution, moderate force. Threat of new entrants or new entry as weak force. In Porter's five force analysis framework, the component evaluates the external factors that maintain the intensity of competitive rivalry in the industry environment. This business analysis case of the Walt Disney Company considers how films affect each other in the entertainment, theme parks, and mass media industries. The trends influencing business development in these global industries are also considered in this external analysis. For example, aggressive mass media marketing strategies are a factor in the company's strategic planning and management. The strong force of competition facing Disney is based on the following external factors, which are many films in the market, high aggressive of films, moderate differentiation. The presence of many films in the market is an external factor that directly translates to strong competition that the Walt Disney Company experiences. This five force analysis also stresses films' aggressiveness as an external factor that strengthens the industry. For example, aggressive companies that produce high quality animated films aggressively compete against Disney's Pixar animation studios. This condition makes the industry environment competitive. Thus, this external analysis points to films' aggressiveness and population as the most significant strategic management issues with regard to the level of competition. The external factors in this component of Porter's five force analysis framework impose the strong phase of competitive rivalry against the Walt Disney Company's global business. Bargaining power of the Walt Disney Company's customers, that is strong force. The Porter's five force analysis framework considers the bargaining power of the customers in affecting business strategies. In Disney's case, the external factors relevant to customers' power pertain to their ability to choose between firms and products in the industry environment. For example, higher ease of changing brands corresponds to stronger customer power in affecting management practices in the multinational businesses. The Walt Disney Company, thus, pricing is a factor in the company's management processes. Also, in the external analysis, the moderate ability to substitute has a correspondingly moderate contribution to the intensity of customers' power in the business environment. Therefore, this component of the five forces analysis underlines business strategies of retaining Disney's customers amid competition in the global market.